Hi guys! Today's lesson is 1.2. I can read, write, and model numbers to the thousands. The first way that we write numbers is in standard form, and that is just written with numbers. So for example, I might, let's see, put it in my little anchor chart here. It'll go like that. So I might say the number 3,456. Standard form would be just the numbers. Okay, pretty easy. The next way we see them written is in word form. So just the number written using words. So that would be like, no. We want something we can see. All right, so if we had the number 3,456, that's our standard form. If I'm going to do it in word form, I would literally write 3,456. You will notice that I did not use the word and. We only use and if it has a decimal point. But this number did not have a decimal point. So I would write it like this. You could do a dash for 56 if you wanted. So that would be word form. Yeah, that's not going to fit in my box. Okay. So let's look at another way to write a number. Expanded form. So expanded form is written as an addition problem. And you're going to expand each place value. So if I had 3,456, probably make it, and wait, so we can see it. Okay, so 3,456. There's standard form. Expanded form, I'm going to start with my biggest place. So here I have the thousands, and I'm going to think about what is the value of that number, that digit in that place. Well, I know it's in the thousands place, and there's 3 of them. So it is worth 3,000. Plus, then I go to the next number. Okay, the 4 is in the hundreds place, but I have 4 of them. So the place value is 400. Plus, our next place would be the 5. The value, so the place is the location. The value is how much it's worth. So that is the tens place, and there's 5. So that one is worth 50. Plus, here's our last digit. It's in the ones place, and it's a 6. So the place value is 6. So expanded form is just a number written as an addition problem, and it is expanded by the value of each place. Now, what happens if our number has a 0 in it, like 3,056? Instead of a 4, I just changed it to a 0. How would we write that? Let's start with my largest place value, the 3, which is worth 3,000, plus my next place is a 0. I skip it and I go straight to the tens. So then I would do 50 plus 6. A common mistake is to actually put 3 zeros. You do not need to do that. 0 means nothing. So we skip it. All right, let's look at our next vocabulary word. And we just talked about it, and that is place. Place is the location of a digit. If I look at my chart, I can look at this number 325. I know the 3 is in the hundreds place. The 2 is in the tens place. And the 5 is in the ones place. The value is how much a digit is worth. So the 3 is worth 300, the 2 is worth 20, and the 5 is worth 5. All right, guys, today you learned how to read, write, and model numbers to the thousands.